Welcome everyone. My name is Brian. I'm the owner of Hell Creek Reptiles, and right now we're going to do our first unboxing video. The first one came in from CNB Reptiles. It is, I don't know, what is it? Bill's a super nice guy, great to work with. He's got a lot of nice stuff in the shop. Just started doing shows in Arizona. Best of luck to him with that. And what do we got? Oh. Dwarf Burmese python. I'm not sure exactly how old it is. I think it's like 3, maybe. But look how tiny she is. Just a little cold. Nice. Now this one came from, take a wild guess, Bob Clark. And this has got to be the most expensive snake I have ever bought. And when I bought it, I asked Bob to hold on to it for a little while. And unfortunately, he had a fire. But luckily, my animal did not die in the fire. It wasn't even in the same building, so I lucked out there. But you're gonna love this. I'm gonna love this. All right. So this is an Aztec sunfire. Beautiful little male. Yep. You can take a guess on how much I spent on this dude. But I'm going to put him to work. He's home nice and safe. And I'm going to put him away. Thanks for watching.